Anzac Day dawn service. My name is Father Tom Stevens. I'm the MC for today. Like hundreds of thousands of our fellow Australians who gather at memorials in cities, suburbs and towns across Australia and overseas, welcome to this significant and this special day in our national calendar. I ask you now, please be upstanding as we commence our service with the mounting of the colour party and the arrival of our...
From that moment was born a spirit that would come to define our nation, a spirit of courage, resilience, mateship and sacrifice. Though the campaign itself was marked by hardship and loss, the legacy it forged endures. It lives not only in history, but in the character of those who followed, in every generation that has answered the call to serve. Today we pay tribute to all who have worn the uniform of our nation, in war and in peacekeeping, in distant lands and at home. Their service has shaped our story and safeguarded the freedoms we hold dear.